Did you go to school?
Yes, I went to school.
What's school like?
School is a place to learn.
Do you have friends at school?
Yes, I have many friends.
What's your favorite memory?
Field trips are my favorite.
Did you like recess?
Yes, I loved playing outside.
What's a classroom?
A room for learning in.
Who's your teacher?
Miss Smith is my teacher.
What's a chalkboard?
It's for writing lessons.
What's show and tell?
Sharing things with classmates.
What's your best subject?
I like art the most.
Did you have a desk?
Yes, I had a small desk.
What's a pencil?
It's for writing and drawing.
What's a backpack?
It holds books and things.
Did you take a lunch?
Yes, I brought lunch.
Did you like math?
Yes, math is fun.
What's a school bus?
It takes us to school.
What's a school bell?
It rings for class changes.
Did you have homework?
Yes, I had some homework.
Did you play games?
Yes, we played games.
What's a science lab?
Where we do experiments.
Did you read books?
Yes, I read many books.
What's a ruler?
It measures things straight.
What's a notebook?
It's for writing notes.
What's a backpack?
It holds my school stuff.
What's a library?
A place with many books.
What's a lunchbox?
It holds my lunch.
Did you have PE?
Yes, I had gym class.
What's a schoolyard?
Where we play outside.
Did you like art?
Yes, I loved painting.
What's a report card?
It shows my grades.
What's a marker?
It's for coloring and writing.
Did you have a desk?
Yes, I had a small desk.
What's a teacher's desk?
It's where the teacher worked.
Did you have recess?
Yes, I played outside.
What's a school bag?
A bag for my books.
Did you write stories?
Yes, I wrote stories.
What's a classroom?
It's when where we learn together.
What's a notebook?
It's for writing and drawing.
Did you learn songs?
Yes, we sang songs.
What's a computer lab?
Where we use computers.
Did you like history?
Yes, I liked learning history.
What's a teacher's board?
It's where the teacher writes.
Did you do science?
Yes, we did cool experiments.
What's a playground?
Where we play games.
Did you have music?
Yes, I played instruments.
What's a marker?
It's for coloring and drawing.
Did you have recess?
Yes, we played outside.
What's a spelling test?
We spell words for it.
Did you like gym?
Yes, I liked sports.
What's a ruler?
It measures things straight.
Did you have friends?
Yes, I had many friends.
What's a library?
A place with many books.
Did you study science?
Yes, we learned about animals.
What's a school bag?
A bag for my books.
Did you write essays?
Yes, I wrote about animals.
What's a school bell?
It rings for class changes.
Did you learn math?
Yes, we solved problems.
What's a chalkboard?
A board for writing lessons.
Did you like art class?
Yes, I loved drawing.
What's a history book?
A book about the past.
Did you have recess?
Yes, we played games.
What's a school desk?
Where I sat and learned.
Did you read stories?
Yes, I loved reading.
What's a lunchbox?
It holds my lunch.
Did you do projects?
Yes, we made cool projects.
What's a notebook?
It's for writing and drawing.
Did you like spelling?
Yes, I liked learning words.
What's a computer lab?
Where we use computers.
Did you have history?
Yes, we learned about the past.
What's a chalkboard?
A board for writing on.
Did you play games?
Yes, we played fun games.
What's a library?
A place with many books.
Did you learn math?
Yes, we counted numbers.
What's a school bag?
A bag for my books.
Did you have recess?
Yes, I played outside.
How do you talk to friends?
I use my words to talk.
What's a phone for?
It's for calling and texting.
How do you show you care?
I listen and help them.
How do you say hello?
Hi or hello works.
What's a message?
It's a written note.
How do you listen well?
Look and pay attention.
What's a smile?
It shows you're happy.
How do you write?
I use a pencil or pen.
What's an email?
In a message on the computer.
How do you say sorry?
I'm sorry is good.
What's a letter?
It's like a paper message.
How do you ask nicely?
Answer please and thank you.
What's a chat?
Talking online with friends.
How do you share?
Give and take turns.
What's a conversation?
Talking back and forth.
How do you say goodbye?
Goodbye or bye works.
What's a hug?
A warm, friendly squeeze.
How do you write neatly?
Use clear letters.
What's a call?
Talking on the phone.
How do you say thank you?
Thank you is polite.
What's a drawing?
It's a picture you make.
How do you share news?
Tell them what happened.
What's a note?
A short written message.
How do you ask questions?
Use question words like who or what.
What's a chat?
Talking online with friends.
How do you use manners?
Be polite and kind.
What's a whisper?
Talking very quietly.
How do you listen?
Focus on their words.
What's a story?
A tale you tell.
How do you say thanks?
Thanks or thank you.
What's sign language?
These hands show words.
How do you show you're happy?
Smile and laugh.
What's a secret?
That's something you don't tell.
How do you use kind words?
Say nice things.
What's a phone call?
Talking on the phone.
How do you share feelings?
Talk about how you feel.
What's a note?
A short message.
How do you ask nicely?
Say please and thank you.
What's a story?
A tale you tell.
How do you show love?
Hug and say I love you.
What's a drawing?
A picture you make.
How do you talk to family?
I use kind words.
What's a joke?
Something funny you say.
How do you listen?
Use your ears.
What's a letter?
A message on paper.
How do you say sorry?
Apologize and make up.
What's a call?
Talking on the phone.
How do you show excitement?
Jump and shout.
What's a question?
Asking to know something.
How do you share news?
Tell them what happened.
What's a story?
A tale you tell.
How do you talk to pets?
Use a kind voice.
What's a thank you note?
A note to say thanks.
How do you use your voice?
Speak words clearly.
How do you ask questions?
Use words like who or what.
What's a chat?
Talking online with friends.
How do you use manners?
Be polite and kind.
What's a whisper?
Talking very quietly.
How do you listen?
I'll focus on their words.
What's a story?
A tale you tell.